Okay, Nate, I just blew this thing off real quick. See there, American made, Ritter. Look for the tag here. It's literally still strapped to the pallet. Ritter 875. It's a 1997 machine. It's big aluminum plates, adjustable for your squaring. Large air cylinder. Those aluminum plates are both attached to the same thing, a big cast iron, cast aluminum rather, apparatus. This is your stop, right? Just a pin, simple. Pin holes. This just slides by hand, right? Pin it in. Goes up against. Closes. Opens. 4 to 6 inches of travel, I guess. Adjustable air pressure. But that's the machine. So if you have any other questions, let me know.